Want to know how to use Mailchimp's lead scoring features to level up your marketing strategy? Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step, so you can start nurturing the right leads today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to implement Mailchimp's lead scoring system to maximize your engagement and conversion rates. Plus, I'll let you in on a special offer for a free trial of Mailchimp with some exclusive bonuses, so don't miss it. First things first, what is lead scoring? Mailchimp's lead scoring feature helps you prioritize your leads based on how engaged they are with your emails, website, or other marketing touchpoints. Essentially, it helps you understand which leads are most likely to convert into paying customers. It's like having a radar that tells you which leads to focus on first. Next, let's dive into how to get started with Mailchimp's lead scoring. After logging into your Mailchimp account, go to your audience dashboard. From there, you'll need to set up a new scoring system for your audience by clicking on the Lead Scoring tab under Audience. Now you can assign scores based on criteria such as email opens, clicks, website visits, and even product purchases. Each interaction can be worth a specific number of points, so you get to decide what matters most to your business. The third thing is setting up the rules for how lead scores are calculated. You can create triggers for specific behaviors, like if someone clicks on a particular link in your email or visits your pricing page. You can assign higher points to actions that are more likely to result in a conversion, like opening an email or making a purchase, and lower points to actions that show interest but aren't as significant. This way, you'll know who's really interested and who's just casually browsing. Now let's talk about how to use lead scores effectively. Once your system is set up, you can view your audience's lead scores to see who your hottest leads are. You can filter and segment your audience based on their scores. This allows you to tailor your communication strategy. For example, leads with higher scores might get a personalized email with a special offer, while those with lower scores might get an email nurturing them toward the next step. It's all about ensuring you're delivering the right message at the right time. The fourth thing Mailchimp's lead scoring offers is automation. By using automation workflows, you can send follow-up emails to leads based on their scores. For example, when a lead score reaches a certain threshold, Mailchimp can automatically send them a targeted email to push them further down the sales funnel. This makes it incredibly easy to scale your marketing efforts while keeping things personalized. Finally, a great feature to keep in mind is that you can continuously adjust your lead scoring as you learn more about what works best for your business. The more you use it, the more refined your system will get, ensuring you're always engaging with the leads that matter most. To sum up, Mailchimp's lead scoring feature is a powerful tool to help you focus on the most promising leads in your audience. By setting up lead scoring, customizing your rules, and automating follow-up emails, you can streamline your marketing efforts and boost conversions. Before you go, don't forget, check out the first link below for a free trial of Mailchimp, along with some exclusive bonuses. You'll get hands-on experience with all of Mailchimp's features, including lead scoring. Start using it today and see the results for yourself.